stupid Indian.
Wait. I have a magic trick for you.
Okay. Where are you from?
I am from India.
Okay, come on. Show me your magic tricks.
Yeah. This is a paper.
Yes.
This is totally blank.
Okay.
Yeah, this one. I am opening.
And then? I'm sorry first. I will tell sorry.